Medieval period, the rise and spread of Christianity. Before I start this video class, we'll have a short summary of the previous classes where I went through Roman Empire. Of this chapter, I discussed about the Roman society and certain conditions or certain disadvantages of the Roman Empire, and finally I ended up discussing a bit about Roman religions. So in this video class we will start from the Roman Empire itself, or the Roman civilization, its defect or certain disadvantages which led to the emerging of new religion. Let's start the class. The culture and tradition of Roman civilization had far-reaching influence and impact in the areas that was under its purview, and by 6 CE, Common Era, the formerly independent Jewish kingdom of Judah came within the influence and control of Roman Empire. So the Jews under the rule of Roman Empire did not welcome Roman culture and tradition because Jewish traditions and customs greatly varied from their Roman rulers. There was a rebellion against the Roman rule, but it was suppressed by the Roman Empire. The Jews had a very tough time, and throughout their misery, they believed that a Messiah would come to save them and restore their kingdom. And about 2 decades after the advent of Roman rule, a man whom some believed to be the long-awaited Messiah arrived. And thus Jesus of Nazareth was born in a small town called Bethlehem, in the present area of Israel. And the birth of Jesus was considered a very important event in the history of mankind. At the age of 30, Jesus began to preach, and his messages were mostly based on Jewish tradition. He taught through parables, which were short stories with morals. He taught love, generosity, forgiveness, and salvation. Jesus believed that all people were the children of God, and he did not discriminate amongst his children on the basis of caste or class. People who led simple and good lives would be rewarded by God in the heaven, and these were the teaching of Jesus. And his teaching make up the beginning of New Testament of the Bible. Jesus had large followers, and his miracle convinced people that he was indeed the Son of God. His main disciples were 12 apostles who moved with him and helped them to spread his teaching. The stories about life of Jesus and his main teachings are written in the Gospel of John, Matthew, Luke, and Mark. Students, In my previous class, I have given certain questions. I don't know whether you people got these questions or not, but I'll be discussing these questions today. And the questions are related with the first video class that I discussed. The first question, why Roman civilization known as one of the most powerful civilization in the world? The reason for Roman civilization to be most powerful, and it is because Roman civilization was one of the most extensive social and political structure that dominated the ancient world of Europe for over 500 years. Remember, ruling a certain area for 500 years is not easy, and Roman did it for 500 years. And the second part is Roman Empire had republic forms of elected officials, and Roman culture influenced almost the whole of what present day Europe. Remember this, at that stage the Roman system had an elected form of officials. That means we can find a glimpse of democratic process here, and the influence of Roman culture and tradition flourished in the present day of Europe. And one thing I point you people, the Ahom rulers of Assam also ruled this region for more than 500 years, and to rule certain region for 500 years is not a game. Remember this. I don't know whether history does not point out in a big way about Ahom rulers, but remember this. Ahom ruled for more than 500 years. And the next question is, mention the society that existed during Roman civilization. Here the question is asking about the society, the system that existed. And the answers are, the rulers and aristocrats from the highest class. They lived in magnificent buildings and had many slaves. The second point is, common people were called plebeians and led a difficult lives. And the third point is, slaves. There were slaves, and slaves are often prisoner of war. And I don't think, sorry, let me go to the word prisoner of war. Here the prisoner of wars are the soldiers who are captured by the winning team or winning country, and they were made as slaves at that stage, and these slaves had no freedom at all. This answer is of 3 marks, and the previous question answer is also of 3 marks. It will be 1.5, 1.5. And the last question is, mention the disadvantage related with Roman civilization that paved the way for Christianity in Europe. That means the reason, the question is asking the reason for the emerging of this religion, why it emerged at that stage. And the answers are, answer will be due to certain disadvantages of Roman administration or Roman political structure, the way they ruled. And the answers are, the empire was constantly at wars and in state of social unrest. The first, occurrence of plague was common that kills millions of people. Plague, remember the word plague. And right now we are also in that stage, the COVID-19. At that stage there was not COVID, but it might be malaria. Malaria will not be in Europe. It might be certain other diseases communicable diseases, plague. So this occurrence was common that kills millions of people at that period. The second is related with bloody civil war, was common for control of power. Here bloody civil war means bloodshed within the common people, within that region, within the same empire there was fight for control of power, that is known as civil war. Not war between that kingdom with other, but within that kingdom. Remember the meaning of civil war. Barbarian raid which continued till about 1000 CE. Barbarian raid means attacking the people of that region and killing the people mercilessly. And the last point is Roman religion with many gods offered no hope to urban people. That means the people at that period were confused with that god, to whom to pray, to whom to worship. So it created lots of problem, lots of confusion. So these are the points that is related with the emerge of new religion at that period, the religion Christianity. Thanks.